It was legal battle at the Court of Appeal as teachers, the government and the Teachers Service Commission argued over teachers' application, asking the court to dismiss the TSC's application against a court order that awarded teachers a pay hike. Now, according to teachers, the employer should not be given audience by the court as they have failed to comply with the court order. Teachers are also concerned as to why the government, through the Attorney General GITHINJI and the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, wanted to argue the application first before their application to have TSC's application dismissed was heard, forcing the court to adjourn for the judges to deliberate on whether to listen to NAT's application stopping the case or government's appeal to continue.
It is an issue on which we feel extremely strongly that our application should be heard first, to argue that they do not have audience. We feel very, very strongly about that.
Dealing with the appeals, we will decide on the right to be heard by TSC in the judgment as the first issue.
And the decision by the judges, led by Justice ERATUS GITHINJI, to have teachers' application merged with TSC's application was strongly opposed by Teachers Senior Counsel Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, who told the court that it will be against the rights of teachers.
When a party makes an application to dismiss an appeal, the tradition of this court is that you hear that application first. It has been like that all along, right from the day when we were admitted to appear from this court up to today.
Now, during the court proceedings, teachers threatened to withdraw from the case and wanted the court adjourned for 5 days so as to give them more time to consider whether they will consider participating in the appeal case filed by their employer. In their argument, the teachers' unions claimed that President Uhuru Kenyatta's Sunday State of the Nation address over the ongoing teacher strike will affect the ruling of the case, and further wanted the case to be heard by a 5-judge bench, a request that Justice GITHINJI said the President of the Court of Appeal will decide as whether the number of judges hearing the appeal will be increased.
So my clients, in light of the President's speech, need to digest this, especially in light of your rulings, so that they know, is there a need to participate in this process? Is there a need? My clients may reach the decision that even there may be no need.
The President of the court is at liberty to consider the suitability of empaneling a 5-judge bench to hear the 3 appeals.
The government, through the Attorney General, TSC and the Salaries and Remuneration Commission senior counsels, however, rejected teachers' request to have the case adjourned for 5 days, saying teachers are using the tactics to derail the court case. SRC also argued that President Uhuru Kenyatta's speech did not apply to what the court is handling, since the head of state is not one of the parties in the case.
The President has never said, would not say, that he will not pay a court order. What the President said is, we have appealed the court order, and the appeal is coming. He even mentioned the date, today.
Any further delay, my lords, our worthy opponents will attain the same objective, which is to delay the hearing of the appeals.
The Court of Appeal adjourned the hearing of the appeal by the Teachers Service Commission to Tuesday next week. Now, on Friday, Justice Nelson Abodha will be giving a ruling on the legality of teacher strike and whether it violated the rights of students and TSC.